Welcome to our series on the success stories of global capability centers in India. In the sixth episode of our series, we spotlight Lockheed Martin, a leader in aerospace and defense that has effectively leveraged India's talent for global innovation. Lockheed Martin established its Indian subsidiary, Lockheed Martin India Private Limited on 19 November 2007. With this, Lockheed became one of the first multinational corporations to tap into India's engineering workforce. The company has since expanded its operations with key centers located in New Delhi and Hyderabad. Today, Lockheed Martin employs approximately 500 employees directly at its facilities. Additionally, its joint venture with Tata Advanced Systems, Tata Lockheed Martin Aerostructures Limited, employs over 1,000 skilled workers. TLMAL has produced nearly 220 empennages for the C-130J Super Hercules aircraft since it began operations in 2010, making it the exclusive global source for these critical components. Among its significant achievements, Lockheed Martin's Indian team has developed essential technologies for various aircraft platforms, including the C-130J and S-92 helicopters. The company is also committed to enhancing India's defense capabilities through initiatives like the establishment of a maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility to support the Indian Air Force's fleet of C-130Js. Lockheed Martin's revenue contribution from its Indian operations is noteworthy. The company reported global sales of approximately $67 billion in 2023, with India playing a crucial role in driving innovation and product development within its global supply chain. The collaboration with Tata Advanced Systems has not only enhanced local manufacturing but also positioned Lockheed Martin as a significant player in India's defense sector. In addition to manufacturing excellence, TLMAL launched India's first metal-to-metal bonding facility in 2018, adding cutting-edge capabilities to the Indian aerospace industry. This facility supports complex aerostructure manufacturing and aligns with the Government of India's Make in India initiative. With ongoing projects like the proposed F-21 fighter aircraft partnership with India and collaboration on various defense initiatives, Lockheed Martin continues to enhance India's strategic capabilities. As we conclude this episode, it is evident that Lockheed Martin's success story exemplifies the benefits of establishing global capability centers in India. By harnessing local talent and fostering innovation, companies can achieve remarkable growth and drive technological advancements on a global scale. Are you looking to scale your operations by setting up a GCC in India? Partner with Inductus GCC for hassle-free establishment. Contact us to gain more insights.